Forgive the Lord, for they know not what they spit. Unlucky contestants on the mic, sounds nice what they get. But we have a beat for a one-time wonder hit, and a how to play it off if you make a live blunder kit. And the winner for the 9th time in a row, Doom, I owe it to a well-refined rhyme flow. Now if you don't mind, dough, find me where the limes grow, with a fine dime, fill in the blanks. Still no necklace in the mill in the bank, grill stay blank. Not to be critical, but ill they stank. Maybe give them thanks from the steel gray shank. Hold that, put the mic down, your luck's up. Don't let it touch the ground and shut the door. Buckle up, it's the law, folks. Stay calm like you got pulled over with the raw.
Sound nice, check one. Sound nice, check two. Sound nice, check three.
If he had thick hair like Ric Flair, chick, he wouldn't know if hoes really cared for the lyrical skills. That's how they judge it. Trick the deals until I take it out the budget, mother fudge it. Like the numbers on the #1 Billboard hit, and still be borders. It could be worse. This verse or no rehearsal. Known to snatch the mic like no me first. They get sloppy seconds after we stop wrecking, and they had a choppy checking. Then he ripped the beat like a surgery botcher. Heard that he murder flows, Doom off the crotch. I'll be bocking 2 and 2, watch the clock. You thought we had cots, how your block got blotched. Another notch on the Glock, his own stock in the strip club. Free scotch on the rocks, biatch.
Sound nice, check